DIY. Life made simple, right? So I also want to show you on our RV, our camper, our water heater busted. So we put in a Bislong water heater. I put one in, a 110. So the old water heater was this one right here. And hopefully you can see that. See my hand there? So it busted completely because they didn't winterize it, right? So I'll just show you quickly what I ended up doing. And it really saved us a lot of money. We spent $100, and that's another thing. I had a video on this thing, and I'm gonna switch this around that way you can see what I did underneath here. There's our Bislong right there. I'm underneath the bed actually in our camper. So there's our old water heater right there, and it's an aluminum water heater, busted. Those things are horrible. It's so thin. Let me get in here. Hopefully the light's still good, but I'm talking thin. I don't know what the millimeter is, what the thing, but it's so thin and they crack. So what I did is I disconnected it. I bypassed. I found out the inlet outlet, and I ran that in to the top of the Bislong, and I just PEXed it. Used shark bite all the way and mounted this thing to the wall. It needed 110, so I found the 110 that was connected to the existing water heater, and I just put my own outlet in with a GFCI plug and ran that wire to it on the back side, right there, and ran that extension cord right to the Bislong. And you can see how simple that is. And I'm telling you, that is a 2.5 gallon tank, and it's almost like pretty much an on-demand, but not really. It's very efficient. It runs off of 10 amps, okay? And it heats everything. Hot water in the shower, dishwasher, Bislong right there. I use shark bites, and I use PEX. And that's just a standard cord that it came with, and it's got a dial for your temperature setting on the bottom. $100. I had some scrap things already laying around. I keep shark bites all the time. The only problem I had was I got the supply water, which is this blue one, and the hot water swapped. So it did weird things. It was low pressure and it gave a little bit of hot water, but I felt it going back the cold line. And anyway, so I swapped them back here, and that's all you got to do is just swap them, reverse the polarity, and man, I'm telling you, pressure's good. It's perfect. The only thing is you can't run it off gas like you did the old one, but if you got a extension cord and 120, there it is right there. I just wanted to show you that. That was a big thing for us to do, and it worked out perfect.